Hello, my dear friends. From today onwards, we are going to start with new lecture series of Python programming. Here, we are going to discuss with fundamentals, basics, syntax, structure, and concept of Python programming. We are also going to discuss with data types in Python, arithmetic operations, Python typecasting, indexing, format method, data structures like list, dictionaries, tuple, and sets, conditional statements, range function, list comprehension, docstring and lambda expressions, map and filter expression, split function, file handling, Kinter for GUI, packages like NumPy, Pandas, and different packages which are available in Python. Okay, so let's start with one by one in detail. So start with introduction to Python. So Python is an easy language, fastest growing language in the world. Yes, obviously, at each and every sector, Python's developed software is used. Okay, Python is a general purpose language. In research area also, Python is available or Python are used like artificial intelligence, machine learning, and deep learning. We can develop the graphical user software that are easily used by the end user with the help of Python. But whenever we are going to discuss with the whenever we think about the development of website web pages in our mind, we thought HTML, JavaScript, then CSS, then Node.js, AngularJS. But with the help of Python, we can develop the website also, web pages also. Reddit is the first website which is developed with the help of fully developed with the help of Python. Python is an interpreted, object-oriented and procedure-oriented language. Whatever the concept we discuss or we know about the C or C++ that are easily implemented with the help of Python, that are class, function, structures, etc. Python is a high level language, just easily understood by the person. Now next, whenever we think about development of any program or implementation of any program, at that time we require few interface with the help of that programmer are going to interact with this system. Just like in C and C++, we use Turbo C. Okay, but in the case of Python, we use notebook also and IDE also. But according to the our what we can say that our application and our purpose, we use notebook and we use IDE. Okay, so in notebook, Jupyter Notebook is available, Jupyter Lab is available. Jupyter Notebook and Jupyter Lab, which is provided in Anaconda Navigator. Google Colab, it is a notebook which is developed or provided by the Google itself, that is Google Collaborate Repository. Now next, IDE stand for Integrated Development Environment. There are different IDEs which are available like PyCharm, VS Code, Thorny, Spider, and PyDo. There are so many IDs which are available in the market. According to the our purpose, our application, we are going to use IDE and notebook. Now, what is the difference between notebook and IDE? So, what is notebook? End-to-end code development is not available in the notebook. So whatever the code which are available or we are going to execute on the notebook, we can't provide the executable code to the user or end user. Okay, final application can't be developed with the help of notebook, and vice versa. If you wanted to develop any final application into end code development, is available with the help of IDE. So according to our purpose, or what we can say that our development target, we are going to use the notebook also and ID. So in next series we are going to discuss, on in next lecture we are going to discuss about the installation of Anaconda Navigator. Okay, so here we discuss about the introduction of Python, how Python is easy language and easily adopted by the programmer and any person, any sectors. Python is interpreted, object oriented and process oriented language. We also discuss about the interface like notebook and ID. Okay, so in next lecture we are going to discuss about the installation of Anaconda Navigator. Thank you so much.